Hi, this is Carl's Cousins, and the following problem solving and data analysis question will require you to make a ratio with a missing value. We know that when we take 3/4 of a number, or when we multiply 3/4 times a number n, we're going to get 18. When we take 1/4 of that same number, we're going to get a missing value that we don't know. To figure out what this is, since we're multiplying both 3/4 and 1/4 by the same number here, we can just express this as an equation where we have 3/4 in the numerator and 1/4 in the denominator, or backwards. It doesn't really matter so long as we know that the answers are going to be 18 for the 3/4 and this missing value here. Actually, let's label this x for the 1/4 because we're multiplying both of these by the same number to get these answers. So if we want to figure out what this missing number is, then we can just cross multiply. So actually, what might even be easier for this problem, since we're dividing by 1/4 here, would be to move the 4 up top here from the bottom, and that way we have 3/4 times 4 and divided by 1, so that we can completely ignore the denominator here. So this would look like 12/4 equals 18/x, which would also look like 3/1 equals 18/x. And now solving for x should be a lot easier. So cross multiplying, 18 times 1 is just 18, and divided by 3 is 6. So x would have to equal 6. Now my method of cross multiplication doesn't match that everybody uses. You saw what I did here is I multiplied across from one denominator to a numerator, both of those values that we know, and then divided by the remaining number to get the unknown value. You can cross multiply in other ways, but the idea here is you're going to cross multiply to figure out what x is, and it turns out to be 6. I hope that helped with this problem, and happy prepping.